In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable autocomplete on Google Sheets. If you've been seeing gray ghosted text pop up while you type or Sheets trying to finish entries for you based on what's in the column, that's autocomplete. It can be handy, but if it keeps inserting the wrong values or slows you down, turning it off will give you full control over what goes into each cell. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google's homepage. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so you can access your spreadsheets. In the top right corner, click the grid icon, also known as the Google Apps Launcher. From the panel that opens, choose Sheets. You can also arrive here from Drive or by going to the Sheets site directly. The steps are the same once you're in a spreadsheet. On the Sheets home screen, open the document where you want to disable autocomplete. Keep in mind, this setting affects the file you're working in, so you'll make the change inside the specific spreadsheet that needs it. With your spreadsheet open, look to the menu bar at the top and click Tools. A drop-down will appear. Hover your mouse over Suggestion Controls to reveal more options. In that submenu, click Enable Autocomplete to uncheck it. When the checkmark disappears, autocomplete is off for this spreadsheet. From this point on, when you begin typing in a cell, Sheets won't try to finish your entry or suggest matches from the column. You'll still have access to normal editing features, formulas, and the fill handle for dragging patterns. Those are separate from autocomplete. If you were previously seeing faint inline suggestions, those will no longer appear. To confirm it worked, click into an empty cell and type a few characters that match something else in the column. You shouldn't see any gray suggestions. If you change your mind later, just go back to Tools, hover over Suggestion Controls, and click Enable Autocomplete again to recheck it. A couple of quick tips. If you don't see Suggestion Controls, try widening your browser window, reducing zoom, or checking the Tools menu for a More option at the bottom. And if it feels like cells still fill themselves when you drag the corner of a selection, that's the fill handle doing autofill, not autocomplete. The setting you just changed only affects inline typing suggestions. That's it. Simple and effective. You've now disabled autocomplete in Google Sheets and can enter data without interruptions.